Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show how to find the value of a square plus b square plus c square, where a square b is equal to 18, b square c is equal to 16 and c square a is equal to 48. Let's call it as equation number 1, it as equation number 2 and it as equation number 3. From equation 1 we can write a square b is equal to 18, or taking a square to both side we can write a square whole square is a to the power 4, b square is equal to 18 square. Or now divided both side by equation 2, we will have a to the power 4 b square over, from equation 2 left side is b square c is equal to 18 square over the value of b square c is 16, or this b square and b square will cancel out, so it will remain a to the power 4 over c is equal to 18 square over 16. Or taking a square to both side, we will have a to the power 4 times 2 is 8 over c square is equal to 18, 2 times 2 is 4 over 16 square. Or now multiplying by a to both numerator and denominator, we can write a to the power 8 times a is a to the power 9 over c square times a is c square a is equal to 18 to the power 4 over 16 square. Or a to the power 9 over, from equation 3 the value of c square a is 48 is equal to 18 to the power 4 over 16 square. Or multiplying both side by 48, we will have a to the power 9 is equal to 18 to the power 4 over 16 square times 48. Or a to the power 9 is equal to, the prime factor of 18 is 2 times 3 square whole to the power 4 over 16 is 2 to the power 4 whole square times 48 can be written as 3 times 2 to the power 4. Or a to the power 9 is equal to 2 to the power 4 times 3 to the power 2 times 4 is 8 over 2 to the power 4 times 2 is 8 times 3 times 2 to the power 4. Or a to the power 9 is equal to 2 to the power 4 plus 4 plus 4 minus this 8 times 3 to the power 8 plus 1. Or a to the power 9 is equal to 2 to the power 4 plus 4 is 8 minus 8 is 0 times 3 to the power 8 plus 1 is 9. Or a to the power 9 is equal to 2 to the power 0 is 1 and times 3 to the power 9 is 3 to the power 9. Now comparing both sides, we will have the value of a is equal to 3. Now from equation 1 we have a square b is equal to 18, or substituting the value of a is equal to 3 here, we can write 3 square times b is equal to 18, or 3 square is 9 times b is equal to 18, or divided both side by 9, we can write b is equal to 18 over 9. So the value of b is equal to 18 over 9 is 2. Now equation 3, b square c is equal to 16, or the value of b is 2. Substituting this value, we can write 2 square times c is equal to 16, or 2 square is 4, c is equal to 16, or divided both side by 4, we can write c is equal to 16 over 4. So the value of c is equal to 16 over 4 is 4. So finally a square plus b square plus c square is equal to, substituting the value of a, b and c, we will have the value of a is 3 square times the value of b is 2. So 2 square plus the value of c is 4. So 4 square is equal to 3 square is 9 plus 2 square is 4 plus 4 square is 16 is equal to 9 plus 4 is equal to 13 plus 16 is equal to 29. So the value of a square plus b square plus c square is equal to 29. So this is the solution of this problem. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.